The classic club sandwich recipe. Ingredients. Layer 1. 3 slices of bread, white or whole wheat. 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise or spread. Layer 2. 4 ounces roasted chicken breast sliced. 2 slices of bacon crispy. 1 lettuce leaf. 1 tomato slice. Layer 3. 2 bologna slices. 1 cheese slice, Swiss cheddar or American, 1/4 cup of avocado slices. Assembly. Toast bread slices. Spread mayonnaise on each slice. Layer 1 grilled chicken slice, bacon, lettuce, tomato. Layer 2 bologna slice, cheese, avocado. Top with 3rd bread slice. Secure with toothpicks. Cut into quarters or half. Tips. Use high-quality ingredients. Add mustard paste for extra flavor. Substitute turkey roast beef for chicken. Remove crust for a more elegant look. Variations. Club wrap, use a tortilla instead of bread. Veggie club, replace meat with grilled vegetables. Gourmet club, add caramelized onions or grilled pineapple. Nutritional information. Per serving. Calories 550 to 650. Fat 30 to 40 g. Protein 35 to 40 g. Carbohydrates 40 to 50 g. Enjoy your delicious club sandwich.